Ladies and gentlemen, now another edition of ChookMouthGeng. You know, say man, they walk out alone on top of this one. First of all, my name never has to change. Now A to the D to the A, aka that the girl with the dimple.
Fake dimple.
Consign you.
Dimple way got stress. Come on.
You
school driver.
Now the first time I did yes.
Now dimple be that. All right, I get papi spending in dollars.
You know what now we they spend and then they enjoy them. See the money on our body.
But waiting.
See the money, see the impacts.
Waiting they spend on me.
After you are moved to so now.
Wait. Keep your hand for table. Now you wearing but move stand for our body. Where?
No, actually, this ring now, and it didn't even mean money come. Down with the hand, does fashion. This is the source of the money.
Guy, you don't get shishi, forget that thing.
You know
so you just throw away your secret like that. So on camera, your secret.
Casting crown.
All right, I will get our in-house person, our Tunampa. You say make I don't call her Tunampa. Make I call her Babatunde.
Have fun, I don't know.
I did
Don't
actually,
chase small, yeah.
Yeah, I actually prefer Tunampa.
I don't know why you say don't call her
Don't spoil my
Tunampa.
name, I beg.
What do you mean of Tunapa?
Exactly. What do you know?
Now your name person they call you for here Tunampa.
Babatunde, yeah. So yeah.
Tunampa's are like pimp. Ash.
Yeah. Tunampa. That's a pimp name, bro. That's a pimp name.
and of course, I get so beautiful so. You know, say may I just talk this one. When I see you, I say the babe is fine.
Such a beauty.
The babe is fine. For
Like,
a woman to a woman, the babe is fine.
You can see where my money is going to now.
Where?
I bet see her waiting you buy for her body.
Where?
Say she go talk am.
I go talk
All these kind of things.
You buy am,
supposed to talk am.
Waiting you buy for her
No,
body.
they show off. That's all my money.
Lord of the Rings.
No be small.
So how you day really?
I did fine. Stressed but fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Could they catch you? Not yet.
You won't make her catch me.
It's so cold outside.
Okay, but really, I want me to talk about something where they're very, very important. And the question, now, is there compulsory or a must say woman must pick up her husband last name when they marry her? Because we see say every time woman post her and say, I'm taking. Sometimes she never even marry her. She don't put attach the man name there. When they come marry her, finally, fully pay all the bubble to be on top of her head. You come here, for example, as my name na Chinema that could fit. I'll come out the Chinema, my papa name. Come put what's that your name again?
Spending.
My put spending.
Why can't you use that kind of example
put
now?
spending.
Which kind of example
that
would that
could
one?
fit. I know people can't they argue am now say it don't really make sense. So some people say these people they do these ones to add their husband name to show say they all committed into the marriage. They won't give their all and they won't make the family front they united. But I go try and open really. It ain't necessary, it ain't important. Now must say woman must change her name to her husband name once they marry her. I start with you to Nampa. Babatunde. I start with
Babatunde.
Babatunde.
This first before. But since you don't try,
make I try to you.
The idea no make sense because that idea, if you check for real life, now the reason why like a lot of women they suffer for their marriage. I will give you an example because again that idea means say man own the woman because it's bad enough say the woman don't carry papa name from small. That's one man. You can't hand them over from one man. Dash out to another woman. Now waiting that idea mean basically.
Okay.
You get so you're handing the woman over from one man to another. You get because if I ask you now, say give me one reason where they beneficial to the family why the woman must take the man's last name. Now not gonna give me anyone. Because that idea, the purpose of that idea is to give that sense of ownership to the man we married the woman.
So woman now don't talk commodity.
Exactly.
Okay.
Don't turn to like my property now, my possession. Because why should
So
she
you
change her name?
if I get it correctly, they say the woman can't be like saying a property of the man which collect her name. When collect the name.
Yeah.
Okay, so make I hear you.
So wait first. Abuon, say I suppose they with you for this way.
Well, you can't change your mind.
But it shocked me.
Yeah.
So I know few say the last name means say the guy don't own the woman. See, but when they pay your bride price, first of all, I believe they don't own you. No be commodity matter or anything.
When they pay your bride
Once they pay your bride price,
yeah.
automatically
Okay.
Yeah.
How much I pay for your own? Remind me.
How much you pay?
I don't forget.
Where my village dey?
No, it's not Anambra or something.
Na there be that.
I'll be like,
See, I be quite bonge.
Aye.
Don't fuck up.
Yeah.
I be Anambra abeg o. So I no feel say the last name the
You don't. Sorry
show.
to cut you. You don't follow like men get conversation about when they para for their wife or something. You don't get into that conversation. For most of the time, they will say, "I don't pay your bride price. I don't do all this thing. I don't do all this thing." They
Na
speak
normal
from the
talk.
place of.
I don't feel say they really mean say they own you. That's just part of
I don't
para.
think that is what they. I feel like they are
don't-
just trying to demand respect per se. You know, say
Okay.
men una get una ego
Everybody get ego. Me, I don't believe. I don't believe that. thing,
Can I- can I come in
Everybody
here?
get ego.
Yeah, you're flying.
Tunde, yeah, however.
Babatunde,
But
Babatunde,
Babatunde,
yeah,
Babatunde, you guys first erase the idea, say, paying bride price, na sense of ownership. By listening to me. Number one, woman, na figure we person guys appreciate.
Okay.
If you dey comot woman, na woman born you. Now woman make reproduction, multiplication dey this life. And they go through a lot not to be appreciated, such that if person wan enter a new family, make them no appreciate the family where they come from. So when you dey drop bride price, no dey see am like say you dey pay for the lady where you dey carry comot from that house. You dey see am as a form of appreciation. You, papa and mama, you don raise this beautiful queen for me to carry go my house. So you need to erase that mentality of say you dey pay for a woman. No, you dey appreciate.
No,
There's-
no,
there's-
no.
But
I
no
will
be the
come in.
conversation
No,
be
na
that.
lie.
Yeah.
And
No,
that's
I want
no,
start
no,
from a
no,
foundation.
I want you to-
No,
wait.
use that as a foundation because he say
You want
No,
to
na she
scatter
mention
that
am.
part.
that first foundation
Okay.
first.
that your foundation. I want help una scatter that no vex.
Yeah.
So you see that thing where you say the bride price na like
Appreciation.
appreciation. Why if na appreciation?
Why
do
no
they
go
return
both?
the money
Yeah.
if divorce dey?
Yeah.
It's not appreciation. You're paying for the lady.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Now,
yeah.
if
That is why if I no want buy again,
it's one of the
if I
symbol
no
of
want buy again,
yeah,
give me
Just
back
collect
my
the
money.
exactly. It's one of the symbol
So
of
no be
ownership.
appreciation
Yeah.
be that, to be
Yeah.
honest.
so if you get fight with your partner, you go return the bride price.
And why be say the
Most
why
families
why
dey
be say
Why
why
you
be say
go do
but why
that?
be say both families fit just appreciate each other? Why be say now one guys appreciate the other one?
Well, you know, say hold on.
Yeah.
You guys understand the factor of say now woman. It be like
Why?
hold on.
Why?
hold
What's
on.
so-
Yes, in a
Why?
factor way you guys put into your head because they are special. Because now them they reproduce and then go carry belly. If you carry belly,
I don't know if you carry belly, but you know if you carry sperm too, you get
well, I mean you get what
Okay.
you dey
exactly.
one.
So
put.
now
You get what you dey
na
put
both
for
side,
you
yeah.
get what you dey put for table,
Yeah.
and she get what she dey put
exactly.
for table.
So
but
now
you know if you compare,
50-50 thing more.
yeah,
or less,
but you can get sperm anyway, but you can't get woman who carry belly 9 months anyhow.
okay.
Sometimes
Alright, go on.
if you
Let's
no
say
reach
this
9
long-term
months,
business now.
hold on.
If you-
If you
I
no
feel
reach
pay how much
sometimes if
now?
you
On
no
a
Yeah.
reach 9
business, na
months,
sorry,
Exactly.
yes, na
Sorry,
business.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's true.
if you no reach 9 months, and then the name tag sometimes now out of agreement and
So not to,
respect.
like,
hold on,
leave-
hold
okay.
on. Yeah, the name tag, the surname tag, what we
Yeah.
talk about. To me, I feel it's like in a sense of respect and regard
So the
You know,
man,
say-
to the man.
You know, say I don't go get problem if the man fit also take the woman last name. I don't go get problem.
So
but
now-
why be say now the woman gas take the man last name?
but if you say you don't go get problem with the man, make the man
Yeah,
take
if
the
na
woman
both ways,
last
why
name.
not? Yeah.
Now the man they go pay the woman bride price.
Ahem.
So the man, I personally I feel say the man no go pay bride
Now
price
why
finish. Then
some
you
of
can't
us?
take.
I don't know if they follow me for Twitter. Now why some of us no agree with the idea of bride price?
Shay, you know, say this thing
get-
we they talk about,
yeah.
it is peculiar to African setting or maybe Nigeria.
That's
in particular.
another miss.
Oh,
Wait,
eh.
now miseducation be that. Cause first things first, this idea of woman taking husband's last name no be our culture. Because we be a group of people where they colonized.
Okay.
Now why this thing be popular thing now? Now Europeans bring and come here.
Oh yeah.
But they don't see
Wait,
hold it.
that's what I'm saying. Now Europeans bring and come here. For us, for our culture, you are always the daughter of Lagbaja, and you marry to Lagbaja. So when the marry no you can always go back to your father's house. You get it? Because you are from that house. So the idea is say you guys take care of your life. First things first, no be our culture. You know they part of our culture at all. Now because they colonize us, Europeans carry and come here. So you can't carry on for head.
Aside say
No,
no be our culture, sef, I don't think
Yeah.
it's a big deal, to be honest.
Okay.
Say you don't marry me, I don't do your house. It's not necessary. No be do or die affair say your last name go dey the back of my name.
But what if we
Exactly.
combine?
Make we know everybody answer your father name.
Exactly.
So you go dey okay like the way
I don't
Jokes
have a
Silva
problem
and
with
Olu
it.
Jacobs dey now, they separate.
But
sometimes
they don't. If you be say for their documentation, they answer.
Yes.
She they answer her
But
husband name.
No, she get a
outrightly.
name. The man get a name.
Outrightly, I don't think her name now.
but you know
Yeah,
say
I'm not
una no
joking.
go dey talk.
Joking,
Hold
sir.
on. You know say una no go dey talk this thing if the man in question na highly influential person. You know say
This angle where they carry
Hold on,
enter.
yes.
This
No,
table
where
where you
they
want
go
shake.
now? They go. I
you know
follow
say you know
yeah.
say if you hear okay this guy na Adenuga pikin. You know there's a prestige and respect. Nobody go teach you. That's my daddy. It's my daddy. They go rush him.
But wait, see, that's the thing
Funny
we're talking
enough,
about.
so,
We're not
okay.
saying that if you don't want to put them for document, put documentation. They do change of name when you marry, abi. But outrightly, I don't want to come out and say, oh, my name is Sophia Chisom, and put the last name. I don't think it is necessary. Either my document, either my passport, abi. No need for me to come and talk for my name is Sophia Chisom. Blah, blah,
So
blah.
the person where you want marry, you love the person, right? You cherish and regard the person.
Nothing concerning the last name.
Sorry.
Okay,
Not
so-
be even the last name, but they
Wait,
carry
wait,
my
wait,
father
wait.
name.
The thing where Papito just talk now, make I even because for
Papito
TikTok,
don't be the angle of
for
love.
TikTok this morning, I be see one interview where copy give. Say most of the men when they meet, like they try meet her because of her
papa name.
Her papa name. Exactly. So if you tell me say if the condition on date table say if you guys married couple, you go carry him papa name. This same man no go do am. So no be say no be bad, no be one.
I don't feel like
both
saying
ways.
that
You
do
get
that.
And another
Right?
thing here, sometimes you know say you no go know the worth of a man until he die. Have you heard that statement before?
What's so special?
Hold on, let me make a break. Nobody pray for death of his partner. But if your partner buy, you can realize say, oh yes, he get one property somewhere, and then you now don't have anything to identify with him as your husband, as his wife.
No, but I mean,
because that name is not attached. This property has this name.
Yes,
We
now,
talk
for
and say if
document-
people documentation, but we dey talk say
Documentation
no
on
man
real
wants
life.
to come out.
At every point in time, you attach the man name.
Why would you document something and can't claim it outside? Doesn't make any sense.
It don't make sense to.
Wait, but
Why you no go
not be
abi?
say
Even
claiming.
documentation.
Yeah.
If I get something now, and I will talk say okay, when I know dey again, no, give am to Ada. Ada we no be family. She no carry my name. Na just my friend. I fit talk say put am. So go if you put anybody name for any contract for any documentation.
And
so that will be big
aside
deal.
that, say, even
Yeah.
if they talk say, oh, your husband died, you need to claim something, but you come, no be the name. Shey marriage certificate.
Exactly. Say so person will
So
marry
that
so
has
so
ruled out that
person.
one. Marriage certificate. dey.
So no be so what I try talk say because that idea because if you check real life here, you go notice say women they suffer a lot for marriages and the
But not be the
and
reason be
That one
this.
no concern
and one of
the
the
name,
reason
sha.
no
I
one of
want
the
get wetin
basic
you talk now.
idea one of the basic idea why women face a lot of domestic violence now that idea of ownership you get
From the man?
from the man side because again make una no forget say na patriarchal world we dey na patriarchy dey rule this world you get so the idea say I don marry you I don own you and if you check even the popular religions if you check them they always dey get special rules for the women. You have to be submissive. You have to be this. You have
But
to
wait,
be
no
that.
vex. So
You
share
get-
all of us na Christian. You get where e dey for Bible say where God say when you marry take your husband name.
I know they too sure. Make I
He
know
did by
something.
he did
Part
Wait,
of the
no talk
Bible.
he
of
did by waiting. He did
Talk
by
rubbish.
he waiting. I never say Bible.
He did the by waiting.
He did the bio of the
Because
Bible.
even when they create Adam and Eve, you know say Eve, your name will be called Eve Adam.
But
now.
he said two of them shall become one.
No mean say make they
no mean say make they
become
change
one. No
surname.
mean say collect surname.
Exactly.
I'm not saying that you
But
should not.
can I just take the
Because
name?
if you won't go that
For
way now,
why?
if you won't go that way, you
Give me one purpose
You maintain
of
your
that
name.
name,
You
yeah.
maintain the name.
Uh-huh.
The children go they answer, of course, they add their papa name to their name. So I mean,
Thank
there are
you,
too many
thank
names
you,
flying-
thank you. Hold on,
Excuse
hold
me,
on, hold
there are
on.
too many names
No,
flying
because
around in the
as I
family.
meet people,
Put a
as I
pin in
meet
it.
people, wait, as I meet people, see their mama get another surname, their papa get another surname. When them they grow up, they give them the chance to pick whatever surname. It dey happen for East Africa, well. It dey happen for East
Africa, you
Africa.
say.
No, I
Hello,
tell you now.
this
it-
guy
na
needs to
something wey already
understand.
dey- na something wey already
Sometimes
dey
I dey wonder
happen.
whether we dey together. Be we dey.
Ada and Co. Yeah, you guys have to understand the impact this thing will get on the mentality and psychology of the pikin.
No, but wait though.
Hold on,
The
because now
pikin know say na my daddy wife be this.
Yes.
Na my
And
mommy
mama
be this.
yeah.
but why are the names separated?
Hey, their name no separated. You dey go far.
This one the tabo for preaching, no. The name not separated.
He no separated. He dey
He
together.
enter.
Do you get the point?
Yeah.
What is my mommy name? My mommy name is Sophia Chisom.
Exactly.
What is your name? My name is
Babatunde.
Ada Okoye. My mommy no put Okoye for her name. No mean say no be my
My
mommy.
mama again. Exactly.
Okay, so but I want to ask you one question.
Get the point now.
Hold on,
My
what-
mommy no dey answer her father name. That's what Chisom I told you is not my father's name. I don't put down my father's name. I doubt anybody knows my father. Okay, some people feel no, but I don't put out my father's name. I put just my English name and my native name. You think saying my son
Who did you grow up under?
people way senior me?
But I want to ask you one sensitive question. Wetin be marriage?
Marriage now.
Simplest definition
now.
from social studies time.
Wait now. No need common sense.
This question, wait, as I hope say your own definition, marriage na surname dey inside. Answer.
Marriage now. Two adults we see each other say, I like you like me, we like each other. We are come
marry.
on, marry, we form family together.
No
Marry.
be
So
no be
say
oya come
become one.
Make we yes now.
Make
of
we
course.
become one,
I
right?
don't turn
Make we become
partner with that. Me now, me will raise
How
them
can
together.
one have two names? One is one name. You guys have
Which-
to.
who
Now
gets
there they
two
go.
names?
Hold on.
Yes.
You know, this is the family of
Bam.
Babatunde.
call am like that now.
Hold on. Before there was one other name before, right? You guys came together to become one. So there should be some sense of union and coming together. And also remember, say this thing where you talk about coming together, it get impact on him picking.
What impact?
In what
Thank
sense?
you.
In what
In what
sense?
sense?
Thank
Give
you.
us
In
example,
what sense?
eh.
You know, as Pekin they grow up, Pekin they like the environment of my daddy and mommy are together, they do things together, and they seem to be one. But if Pekin start to grow up, realize say, wait but how come I look my papa ID card or driver's license, I still say that different name did they. My mama own say that different name did they. What does this strike in the Pekin head?
Okay, I want to ask you.
After growing up to see the family as one.
So we know verse.
You get that uniqueness,
that
that
makes
union
you
as
understand.
one.
Yeah.
You have to carry one umbrella name. One means one.
Okay.
You can't carry two names or separate names.
Wait, so now no verse. So Pikin come back first. Mommy, daddy, wake up. They arrange food, chop. Everybody chop food. We go sleep. We dey happy. We go vacation. But then when you carry ID card, because say you no see the surname, they come they wonder. So all these food do they chop together? I mean, they don't need together.
Yes, it
When
doesn't
they see your
say
mama,
you don't get
when,
sense.
yes, now when they see your mama and papa tell each other, say, I love you, you love me.
But
They
then
see them, they actually
there has to
they
be-
loving
the pikin will
relationship.
not
Chilampa, I'm
see.
disappointed
So-
in you.
No.
So you don't think that can have
The
can have
child
different
don't
name?
know. Effect, Abi?
The child
Yes,
don't
now.
know.
No. Because of the amount of love these parents are showering
You
on
won't
their
see that.
kids. Listen, because of the amount of love these parents are showering on their kids, if you are that close to your kid, they'll come and ask you, mommy, why is it that daddy is answering this name? And you
Yes,
answer, you
And you go
explain.
explain. Thank
End
you.
of story.
You don't educate the child like that.
Do you get the point?
get
You
it.
Hold on.
You don't
explain.
educate the child like
That
that.
your explanation. You don't
Yeah.
think saying you go fit breed another kind of
I
mentality.
tell you,
that
say
Pekin
this
head.
thing down they
No, you
happen
know,
already.
you know,
You they
Rebecca,
make it like say
no,
na
no,
hypothetical thing.
Okay,
Don't they happen?
make we begin to the wrap up slowly now.
Yeah.
Tunde, I want me to just give us reasons why you think say they necessary for a woman to actually pick up her husband surname or husband name.
The reason why because one of the basic ideas of patriarchy na say woman guys they attached to man.
Okay.
And that reason, now the reason why a lot of women don't suffer for their relationships.
Yeah,
Because
Tunde, this
wait
is not
now,
an attachment.
No, wait, just
now,
wait, make it just drop
no
the
plug
message.
any wire
Look at
together.
it. Because the idea is that I own this thing.
Okay.
I possess this thing. Anything where you possess, they get power past you or they get power as you. No. You get now to strip that woman off any sense of power which she should get. Because once I own something, I have power.
You're
over
under
the
me.
thing. That thing is under me. That thing never get power.
This
as
Gen Z mentality.
so that idea, she's small rich like that. Now one of the reasons why women they suffer. So it no make sense if we truly want a world where all of us go happy, where marriage is not going to break, where people not going to
you
suffer.
even know that
We
this
need to
thing
start
wey we
letting
dey
go of all those patriarchal ideas.
Wait, do you
within
also
marriage.
realize that this thing where you dey talk now,
Yeah.
no be like say if you check well, who will use celebrities? No be like say they drop their last name, answer their husband.
Husband
combine?
last name.
So at the end of the day, which one come first? For instance, Regina Daniels Moko, Mercy Johnson Okoji. See the last name, the husband name. I just put her.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mercy Johnson Okoji. Who again we don't marry? And that's why he told me Wellington.
Yeah.
I just put her.
Let's say you don't know the power of
my.
identity. You,
So
you won't just
if
come
you
up
want
with
for
an
more
identity
than
like that.
it, I feel like it is not a do or die.
Yeah, it's not
affair.
do or die.
You know, means say I know respect
But
you, my husband.
but it makes more sense if you carry that.
But
surname.
wait,
So,
to make us
it makes more
why
sense.
be say the man if you just take the woman last name?
No.
Shebi
That's
na
what-
unity.
that's one of my
this our
points.
Wait,
setting,
shebi na
go dey
unity.
hard for
Shebi
that
na
thing to
unity.
happen. I
Shebi
know
na
say you no go
unity
ever
dey
happen.
find.
That's even my
Wait,
point.
now shebi your purpose na unity.
Now
say,
that they
Na
go.
unity,
make we
yes,
get
and the
one.
bottom line,
Unity
unity.
abi. So the man to feel unity for the sake of unity. Let me take my wife's last name.
Except
And
the
the
wife
funny
is
thing
a very
is-
influential
Yeah.
family.
you know the funny thing, self. All
Yeah.
these names wey they take. If you check where, not be the husband name. My papa name.
Yes, now
That one they give you.
And
That
the
one they
husband
give you.
they answer.
Now why I
that
talk for
one
my
they give you.
now why I talk for my
Why
opening
be say
statement? Yeah.
I marry you? I now your papa I marry.
Yeah, you get.
Now your papa I
And
marry.
the man decide to
If
give
you
you
say
own
the
name
name said
now.
I
Some men say people decide say
yeah.
no, I want to keep the legacy of
Yeah,
my father.
yeah. So now why I talk for my opening
Answer
statement?
my man. I want to answer your name, sir. Leave your father.
Now why I tell you
Leave your
say
father,
for
give
my
me your
opening statement,
name.
now what I say they hand over the woman from one man to another.
another.
Now what you do with that? Because you go now your papa don't first gain you can't come on your papa, can't give her your own papa name.
You
That's what
guys
are
don't
doing.
understand what it
Until
means.
they do that.
Hold on. You guys don't understand what it means to be in union. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Being in
Yeah,
union.
why this union no fit be
Hold
the
on.
wife
This union.
last name?
Now they tell you so. If you, it could be one name.
So wait.
Hold on.
No.
Even I say we dey come
wait,
together-
I don't hold you for truth. It could be one name or choir. Okay. Say you go answer your wife's surname. Just say yes or no. No
Yes
breathe.
or no
No
thing,
breathe.
no
Depends
no
on
shall I, no
Wait,
shall I,
see,
no
yeah.
shall I.
We don't understand the union.
Yeah.
That's all. Who,
Now union,
how can we understand?
unity, one happy family.
You go
If
be
you marry
answer
a
your
coffee.
wife name.
If they get here, shall go answer her name.
Only
You're a finished man. Just
You're
join us.
finished.
Just join us. No need.
But on a more serious note, when we dey small, when we dey young, we will come together and say we won't do practical, we won't do teamwork assignments. Okay, team A, give yourself a name. A sense of bonding. That naming, I don't understand.
Wait. Why you dey find my trouble? Why?
You want me to serve it?
Wait. Team A, give yourself a name. Nobody answer their name, oh. Team A, give yourself a name. Indigo.
But
So
now,
if not like that,
Mo choose
Go
name.
choose
Mo
name.
choose new name.
think about it.
Even now unity.
woman, when they answer your husband name, what is your mission?
But on a more serious note, personally, I still feel say the answering of husband's name no mean say na ownership for me.
Thank you.
I still believe that. It no mean say-
There's a place for
it no mean say
agreement,
the man own me.
understanding. You know,
See, I agree all these things with you now. But
don't
my
say
own
the
be
man
say,
own
you
me.
know when you go say, at the end of the day, the things where they happen to people, where people they suffer from. Now ideas they make the thing happen. You get now small ideas they make can happen. So if you talk say no be big deal, now if you take my husband name, but this be say another woman they suffer because say she don't decide say
See, when
she
it
don't go
comes to
take
that,
husband.
like, I feel so that
You
the
get
man now, how the man dey
exactly.
behave,
So
the man,
why
the
not have
man
a
dey
society
think and
where
the man
why
dey
not have a
listen.
society where we go eradicate that kind of mindset
My own be say
instead of make people they pick and choose within their
whether
want.
you take husband name, whether you no take husband name, if you go suffer for the marriage, you go suffer.
You go suffer exactly. Next
Yeah.
thing I want
But
talk.
I still feel say it is not compulsory to take your husband's name. To be honest, no
Okay,
big
final
deal that
note. Papi to find out.
well, I go advise women out there, take your husband name. Especially man, we get level, we get money, we
So
get
you are
class.
saying if the man no get like, maybe they don't take
Papi,
the
your
other
own
name.
You want a
condition.
poor man name?
Papi, your own condition. You are not making me proud
May
right
una
now.
no listen to
Your
this
own
person.
condition. To know I already know
Can
where
you
you
imagine?
stand. I already know where Babatunde stands.
So your own, I have to
Yeah,
say the
my
person.
own-
Hey,
Yeah.
this life.
My own be say the idea say when you marry take your husband name.
It's not
Not
compulsory.
necessary.
It no make sense.
Oh, it never makes
It
sense.
no make any
Okay.
sense at
Your
all.
own no make sense.
If
See.
I
No,
go
makes
agree,
sense.
I go agree to that kind of setting if you go both ways.
Vice versa.
But
If
if
you go
if
both
not you go
ways.
both ways, waiting at
But
the
it's
do
just
now.
better.
No,
What's
What's
the
the
man's
no,
name?
no, talk the truth.
Man, we get
You
level.
know if you go both ways for this our part.
Exactly.
You know if you
So
go
with
both
that
ways.
so that thing
Just
tells
imagine.
you.
Wait. Just
Yeah.
imagine say, hi. Imagine say, at this one, they use at this one. They marry this with me. Imagine say at this one marry Banky. It can be Adesua
Wellington.
and Banky. It told me, guy, how you sound for your ear
Sweet.
for this part of
It's
the
sweet.
country?
It's
Let me
sweet.
say, you don't go
It
both
can't
ways.
go both ways.
So waiting that
First
thing.
of all, internet go say, from village they go say she don't use juju tire.
She don't tie in destiny inside
don't
calabash.
Anyway, Sha, make we
Thank
begin to the wrap up because time don't they go. And from all the argument, Babatunde say it no make sense. It no make sense at all.
Bam.
So talk say it
No
no
dey
dey
compulsory.
necessary, no dey compulsory.
Yeah.
She did quite
You,
liberal.
Your own point, your own. I won't really get where you stand.
It
Don't
makes
stand
sense
anywhere.
if the man get
You
money.
don't stand anywhere.
Because I swear,
Come on for this table.
Spending, you're not making me proud right
I'm
now.
Bobby
Why
spending.
they talk?
When you spend money, they collect your name anyhow.
But for me, I feel say taking your husband last name or your husband name, whichever one, it dey good. You know me say the man own you. Okay.
E dey compulsory.
No, they compulsory.
Exactly,
But
that's what I'm
but
saying.
it dey good.
E good, but e
dey
compulsory.
necessary.
If you allow your husband
Compulsory and
take your last
necessary. Wetin be the difference?
necessary.
Ada.
Wetin be the
For
difference
me,
between
If you allow
compulsory
your
and
husband
necessary?
take your last
I no
name.
go let her take
Why
my
you think say
last
they
name.
Why
necessary?
don't you allow her take your last name? She be thought say you did good now.
I want because
You dey good.
because me personally want taking names. I no go let her take my own.
You want take your name.
Allow her,
But if you
make she
thought
take
say you
your
want
name.
take your name.
Oh.
no
I no problem.
Stop
Go
it,
ahead.
she's in love.
I stole you my. I want take his name. I want take his name.
But this saying won't take your name. So
I
how
don't
we
want
go do now?
But if you want take my name, no wahala. Go ahead and take my name. But me, I would like to take my own husband.
So
You know me say the man
take my
own me
name
anyway.
from me.
Because and again, it depends on the kind of man where you dey deal with anyway. But we got to wrap up on top this one. Thank you so much to Soso, the
Thank
beautiful
you.
being herself. Thank you so much to Babatunde, and of
together
course,
now.
No
They
thank am,
together.
no thank am, no talk.
No
deserve thanks.
Close the show, close it.
No
Just
deserve
round up,
thanks.
round up.
okay, to the
Round up.
person where they say man no thank. Thank you still. But don't forget to watch this episode, download, share, show love, tell person to tell person about ChookMouthGeng podcast. Nothing serious,
Just vibes.
We love you, we love you.